What's going on? Celiac here, and I just needed to add another name because during the making of this video, Jennifer mixed something. She threw money into the PayPal. I can't say thank you enough. It really is going. I'm telling you, whenever you were doing it, when everybody was doing it in the past, it went to my wife, and yeah. So thank you, Jennifer. Not everywhere in the state of Florida knows that I can possess firearms.
Carrying a firearm or other weapon, either openly or concealed, is not permitted in Tradition Community Association common areas like this park here.
What's going on? Celiac here, and just from the intro, I don't know if this is because of me, but I just happened to go to Tradition, and I was out open carrying with the family, with my AR, my handgun. I went to numerous stores. I'm gonna let that video play because I think there's one part of this video that you actually did see, but I'm gonna play the entire thing because I want you to have the context of where I went and all the places I went, because I only showed one, but there were numerous others that I went into. And, well, I'm going to let this news anchor take it away.
A letter that has gone out to people who live here in the Tradition area from the Tradition Community Association is certainly raising a few eyebrows. This is that letter. Residents told us they started getting this week. It basically says that carrying a firearm or other weapon, either openly or concealed, is not permitted in Tradition Community Association common areas like this park here. We've spoken to several people who are here visiting this area and who also live here, and they say this letter is a huge mistake. They say the community association shouldn't be telling them that they can't have a gun with them for personal protection. Several months ago here in Florida, the Attorney General advised law enforcement that people now can openly carry firearms in many public areas for their own personal protection. And some residents wonder why the HOA is doing this now, coming out with a letter like this.
And I'm going to be very clear. From what he's saying, this common area, there's a park there, there's all these businesses, but it's owned by the HOA from what I gathered. And you're probably going to see it up here. So this HOA can basically say nobody can have firearms. Nobody. Leave your comment down below if you believe this is frickin' Bolshevik. You know what I mean? Like, this is wild. And we're going to get into my video right now.
All right, cool.
Like,
we're good. We're good. All right, so you just saw me and you had to come out. And we can do the FaceTime. We can do whatever you want to do.
Okay, we FaceTime.
But that's awesome. I love the support. I really,
like,
truly.
Wait, is that the guy that's been walking around? I was like, it is. She was like, is that a gun? I was like, it is.
Oh yeah, it's a couple guns.
I was like, my husband was just showing me the other day. I was like, he's gonna.
About me out in Martin County?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. That one went viral,
Our
dude.
friend group actually sent it in our chat, and they were like, who is this guy?
He's the armed fisherman. He's the guy that's on YouTube.
Oh gosh. Yeah, my husband was like, you don't know who that is? I was like, no. When he showed me, he was like, he's so cool. What was your name?
My name's Mike.
Mike, I'm Megan.
Nice to meet you, Megan.
I'm Toria.
Nice to meet you. Victoria?
Dystoria, actually.
Dystoria, okay. All right.
Hey, will you answer my FaceTime?
You better answer that FaceTime because you better like, share, and subscribe to this channel right now. If you don't answer this FaceTime, you better unsubscribe to my channel right now.
Oh gosh. Look who it is.
Yeah.
Do you see who it is? He's frozen. Do you see who it is? Oh no.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Just randomly, I was just walking around. I had to do some shopping, and they stopped me on the side of the road. I don't answer questions
I
though.
over. I was like, can I FaceTime my husband? Oh god.
Yeah, it's awesome. Hey, you're gonna see not only, well, kind of yourself on this, but this will be on the next video. So
Nice.
just stay tuned tomorrow. Stay tuned tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Bye. I can't wait till
Can we take a selfie?
Yeah.
take a picture with
Absolutely.
Yeah, well.
Thanks, Megan.
Got to get the gun in there.
It was so nice
Yeah,
to meet
nice
you.
to meet
Nice to meet you.
Take care. Keep doing what
Thank
you're doing.
you.
All right.
Appreciate you.
I appreciate all your support. At least the message is getting out there.
Yeah, for
that's
sure.
that's the one thing about all of it.
For sure.
Was just trying to get the message out.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So.
Where are you going into?
I've already been. I had to go to get some stuff for my wife at Victoria's Secret.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they love me in there too.
Where haven't you been?
I went into Burlington, Target. I've been into most of these places, and now I'm just kind of just walking around, just chilling.
Yeah.
It's no different than just anybody walking around having a good day.
Yeah. So what made you want to actually like take a stand and start doing it?
The first part was when I was trying to figure out how I could carry a gun without a concealed weapons license.
Yeah.
And the one way it was fishing, hunting, or camping.
Yeah.
Well, I was like, I'm a fisherman.
Yeah.
This is the one way. And so I started doing that on YouTube. And then after about 5-6 years, they passed legislation so that we can just
Carry.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
no more fishing poles.
So did you want to just test it, or did you want to?
This is what I was known for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so I want people to still know that I'm out here being known for
Yeah.
the open carry.
Yeah, what you're doing.
So
Awesome. Well, it's so nice.
it's nice meeting you. Y'all have a blessed day. Oh yeah. I was looking for some stitch. I don't see any stitch. I see Bluey. I see Paw Patrol. Frozen. Barbie. Oh, there's some stitch. Yeah. All it is about education. That's all it is. That's all it is. excuse me. Do you have like I guess they would be like a vest type of jacket type of thing
It would be in the men's.
in the men's section? All right, thank you. How's it going?
Good.
What are you doing?
You're a crazy person. What's up, man?
What is that?
Just an AR-15?
AR-15?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's how you rolling, gang?
Dang, hey, Florida's an open carry state.
Open carry, yo.
Yeah. You see it. You see it.
Don't fuck with him.
I ain't here to hurt nobody. You don't mess with me, I don't mess with you. That's it. That's how it works.
Yeah, stay far from me, dude.
Yeah, dude, I'm the nicest guy you ever meet.
I ain't gonna lie, you a nice guy, though. I ain't gonna
Man, we can hang out. We can do some grilling and chilling. You know what I mean?
lie.
I'm that type of guy. I'm like, just because you see this doesn't mean you should be scared of me.
Yeah.
Yeah, firearms, as long as it's the right person, it's not that bad.
Yeah, no cap.
You know? You know what I'm telling you? Look up my YouTube channel, The Armed Fisherman. 233,000 subscribers, something like that.
Yeah.
And you're gonna see yourself on the next video.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.
Ritzy Ralph.
Peace.
That's my name, Ritzy Ralph.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I have like 2 million on TikTok.
Oh, I'm not a TikToker.
Where are you? YouTube?
Just straight YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes, sir.
How much subscribers you got?
233,000.
Damn. Let me see. What is it?
The Armed Fisherman.
The Armed
Fisherman.
Fisherman.
And it should pop up real quick.
Armed Fisherman.
Yep.
Oh, there you are right here.
Yeah. That'd be me. That'd be me.
Alright, bro.
All right, man. You'll see it later on. Arlington. I need a coat because I got court coming up. So how's it going?
Well, it looks like they only have 2 blazers. Well, that sucks. Hi, I'm living the dream, living the dream.
Can you help finding anything?
I am here to look for a size large for my wife.
Okay. And do you know what style?
I know she doesn't like thongs.
Hi, I can help you. What's going on over here?
Oh, I was just coming to get a pair of panties for my wife.
Isn't that
Oh,
right?
this? Oh,
Are you gonna kill us?
No. I'm the most harmless person you ever meet.
What do you want?
I don't know.
Okay. What she likes?
I'm a guy.
She said not thong.
Not thongs?
Yeah, not
Okay.
thong.
What size is she?
She's a large.
Okay, let's go this way.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. And what is that? Is that a pellet gun or what is going on?
No, it's definitely not a pellet gun.
Are you just walking like this?
Yeah.
Like that?
Well, Florida became an open carry state, and
And you're like, let me just show my
it never sees the light of day. It always sits in my gun cabinet, and that is what it is.
All
So,
right.
the
What
couple
size
different
is-
colors,
What size she is?
large,
Okay.
and then pink, and I'm guessing maybe the blue. This blue looks good.
Okay.
I don't know if it's a thong or not.
No, they're chickies.
So
this is the draw right here. What size what color?
pink or blue or I'm not sure. It
So
says buy 2 get 1 free, right?
No, it's 5 for 32. It's a better deal for the panties. It's a better deal. Because if you buy 2 get 1 free from the panties, it's gonna be $32. And so for that price, it's better you get the 5 instead of like the 2, correct?
Cool. We're just gonna go with 1 because I'm completely sorry.
5 for 32.
How much is this 1?
$14.50. Just get 5 for 32. Get the deal.
Okay.
Okay. So do you like this one?
Fine. Yeah, that
This
one. That's.
Do you want another
If
style?
there's any. No,
And this one. All right, let's get her different styles.
You're a girl. You would know. I mean, obviously you don't know my wife, but
Yeah.
But in a nutshell, if you know, help a brother out. I'm looking for the HBO special.
1, 2. Any yellows?
Yes. Purple. If there's a purple color somewhere, that's my daughter's favorite color.
Purple. Maybe like this. Oh yeah, I got purple. I mean, not really. Hold on. She's gonna like that.
Yeah, I think that one's good.
Yeah, it's too big.
No.
No.
Yeah, no.
So far I have.
You have those.
1, 2, 3.
Go with the light blue over here.
This one or this one?
The light blue, yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. One
And
more.
and then
And right here. Any of these ones?
how about this red one right here?
Okay. I don't have that one is medium. I don't have that red one.
Is the leopard one? Is that large?
This one?
Yeah. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
We got 5.
Now she'll be a little feisty.
And what is your name?
My name's Mike.
What is it?
Mike?
Mike?
Yeah.
Silvana, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you
Perfect.
go.
See, you sold me. You upsold me to death. I thought I was just coming here for 1 or 2, and here I am.
Well, you're gonna get a better deal like that.
That's okay.
All right. Mike, he's ready. All right, Mike. Get home
Have a
safe,
good day.
okay? You
Oh,
too.
I'm just, you know I'm going to get home safe.
Do you have a phone number with us?
No.
Here you go.
Yeah, I have awesome best
Yeah,
lady.
this thing over here is.
I heard it was free on Facebook anyway.
What are you looking for? They're right here behind us.
In the travel spray?
Yeah, right here behind you.
She said it was 5 for 32.
Yes.
It will
Okay.
ring up once I get to the 5th floor.
Okay.
That's not it.
That's a steep one.
And then, as long as she doesn't wear them, she can bring them,
And then my bra.
exchange them.
Yeah, as long as she brings the
And
receipt.
then this
she
one
can-
I have
Yeah,
to
yeah.
just get the bigger size and see how that feels.
I'm just a guy. I don't know.
Yeah, I know, I get it.
I get a pair of boxers and I'm good to go, you know.
Yeah, as long as she has the
I do
receipt,
want
she
to
can
just check
exchange
to
it
see
for
the bigger
anything.
one.
Okay.
So
So it's gonna be 34.20. Are you able to get the bronze for?
I thought it said any.
It's not showing for the 55.
And that
I
one
couldn't
either?
get this one at 5. I tried. It's either 40% off or 6% off. But even
And
if
the seduction?
that one is. Yeah, $5 bonus. That's crazy. The new is not, but this one is.
Okay, I'm gonna put that one at the back.
Thank you so very much. Have a good day.
You too. You too.
Excuse me.
I took
Yeah,
the,
you're right. Thanks again.
Bye, Mike. Take care.
Oh, the wife, I guess, is going to be extra happy. Hi. Where are you?
Now, I understand private businesses, completely understand it. And, the thing I'm walking up next to is a Publix. And you're probably seeing it up here, in Publix reverse, they were like, oh, yeah, we're going to, if you want to open carry, no problem. But then they flip-flopped, and it is what it is. But the fact that this entire open complex, there's a park, all this stuff. And the fact that they're doing this because, and I'm not blaming, I don't know if it was me. And if I can do a records request to try to find out the reason they're doing this is because of me, leave your comment down below if you think that they're doing this because of this video. Because I did this video, you're probably seeing it up on the screen right here. This is when I did that video, and then on May 15th, after discussions and discussions, they decided to do this. So, leave your comment down below. But we're not done yet. Can you unlock it from where you're at? Okay. Alright. Yep. That's backed in. Yeah. Okay. Alright, love it. So, in a nutshell, I walked around this whole area of tradition. I was open carrying an AR and a handgun, walking through numerous storefronts, and because of this, or I'm not saying it was me, I don't know, but in March, this happened. But May 15th, they're now saying that even the people that live in this HOA area, because this is a very expansive area. Like, you can't even fish. There's so many ponds around tradition, but they all have no fishing. They all have trespassing. So, even the residents are limited on what they can do because of this HOA. And because of this HOA, and because I guess this whole entire area, I didn't know that the HOA could just take up, St. Lucie property and claim it as their own. But I'm just telling you. So if you carry a firearm, just make sure you don't get caught with it in tradition. All right? And don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. And leave a comment down below if you think this is some bullshit. Soliaker, deuces.